Hey everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech, and today I'm taking a look at this really cool, basically hydroponic growing kit to grow edible foods and edible herbs and spices at your house, right? Without having to worry about it. It's semi-automated in that, this is the complete kit to grow without soil, and it gives you automated watering. Basically add the water to the base, plug it in. This thing kind of takes care of keeping the plant or the seeds watered. You'll basically have like automated soil-free growing in your house. So it's really cool. What's included with this? Basically, you get a growing medium. So basically, instead of soil, there's a growing medium that made of different porous stones. There's a water ring that basically flushes the roots with water, multiple times a day. The excess water is collected and then reused, right? So it's not like getting wasted. The water will kind of flow through, go back up. Has a built-in pump and timer, and then a water tank that you kind of put in some nutrient-rich water. So there's some nutrients you add to the water, obviously to help the plant grow because there's no soil, right? Soil usually has the nutrients in that. And you can grow all kinds of stuff, right? You can grow little mini tomatoes, strawberries, peppers, edible things like basil. All those are edible, but things like basil. So what I'm going to do in this video, just quickly unbox this, show you what you get in the box, and then I'll have to set this up somewhere and then let it grow. Basically, let it grow and then show you kind of like what happens after, after it grows. So as you can see, there's the water tank. It's talking about, adding the nutrients, filling it with tap water. Some instructions on how to do that. There's the growing medium here. So if we open this up, it's just going to look like looks like almost kind of like lava rock or some sort of material like that. So that's what you actually put the seeds in to grow them in the growing medium. And then this is the actual Botanium itself. Now this is a gray one. I think that they come in a couple different colors, at least white and gray I saw. But it just looks like this kind of grayish container. As you can see here, there's like a water level indicator, so you'll be able to see through and see where the water level is. I don't know if you can see down inside there, but there's a pump at the bottom, a tube that kind of comes up, connects to the top. That's where you put the water. It's a USB plug, so they do give you an adapter. So you have a wall adapter there to plug it in. And basically it should be pretty automated. So plug it in, set it up, put the seeds in, put the growing medium in, or growing medium, then the seeds. You actually then use this nutrients, so 5 full pipettes of this in the water tank. You can see on the inside how this works. The water gets pumped up into this ring. There's holes around the ring that then put the water into the growing medium with the seeds. Anything that overflows kind of comes back through the thing and back into the bottom. So fairly simple operation to set this up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try to grow some basil seeds. So we use basil in our kitchen a lot to do cooking and things like that. So I am going to go ahead and try to set these up, set this up to grow basil seeds and go from there. Right now I'm going to put this by a kitchen window so it does get some light, but Botanium also has grow lights, right? So if you're trying to grow these and you don't have access to like a window or natural light, there is an LED grow light that puts out the right spectrum that you can use for growing indoors. So I'm not going to probably use this right off the bat because I'm going to try to grow this by a natural light window. But if I have any issues, I'm going to definitely switch and try to do it differently. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and obviously this video is not going to be created and posted until I see how this turns out, but let's hop on over and see what my experience was after I try to grow these things. So these have been growing for probably about a week now or so. And, I'm just going to do the video and post this on YouTube just to get this done because I don't know how long these are going to take to fully grow into actual large basil plants. I am using this grow light. This is not the grow light from Botanium, only because I don't have a fixture to mount that one in. And I had this LED grow light that I'm just using instead. And it works nice because you can just put that inside the material, the growing medium, and then it just works really well. I have it on a timer so it can give them the optimal amount of sunlight or grow light each day. But as you can see, it's growing. So I'm going to go ahead and post this, and then maybe I'll do a follow-up at some point later if these fully grow, or maybe I'll do a short post on YouTube or something like that. But I just wanted to kind of post this video finally, because otherwise I'm just going to be waiting and waiting for these to grow, and it probably doesn't add too much to the video to see the finished product, other than it's kind of set it and forget it, and I forgot about it, and it's just basically growing. So super cool here. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.